The AI opportunity landscape. Let us understand why now is the best time to step into AI services and debunk limiting beliefs that stop them from taking action. Have you ever felt like you are late into the AI game? Like the big opportunities already passed you by and now you are just playing catch up? Well, you are not alone. In fact, this fear is one of the biggest reasons most people hesitate to take the first step in AI. They scroll past stories of people earning $5,000, $10,000, even $50,000 a month with AI tools and think, well, they are probably developers or already had an audience or started before the gold rush. Let me stop you right there, because that thinking, it's not just wrong, it's dangerous. So let me paint the picture of what's really going on behind the scenes. Businesses of all sizes are scrambling to adapt to AI. They don't have time, team, or training. They are bleeding money on inefficient systems, manual tasks, and outdated processes. And they are desperately looking for people like you who can solve these problems, even if you are just starting. But here is what most people believe: I'm not technical enough, I'm too late, or I need a computer science degree. Isn't AI going to replace these roles anyways? Well, let me bust those myths starting now. The truth is, 2025 is not too late. It is the best time in history to start. For this, let us look at the numbers. Over 400 million people will use AI daily this year. 85 million jobs may be displaced, but 97 million new ones are expected to emerge due to AI, according to the World Economic Forum. The AI services market is projected to cross $1.8 trillion in value by 2030. But right now, it's severely underserved. Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Claude, Notion, Zapier, Canva, and more are creating a goldmine for people who can use them strategically. Imagine earning $2,000, $5,000, or even $10,000 a month just by helping businesses save time, improve systems, or scale with smart automation. Not as a coder, not as a techie, but as an AI strategist who knows how to plug the right tools into real world problems. Let us take a real example. Jenny, one of my students in Dubai, she was a freelance social media manager. No tech background, no team, just a laptop and a willingness to learn. By learning prompt engineering and automation workflows with AI, she created a lead generation chatbot for real estate, a content calendar generator for clinics, and a proposal writing tool for marketing agencies. Within 3 months, she closed 4 retainer clients and now earns $6,400 a month from AI services. So what changed? She understood the AI opportunity, she picked one niche, she executed with clarity, and that's exactly what you are about to do. So we'll break this down into 3 simple actions. Why now? What's in demand? And what is stopping most people? And how to avoid it. So, why 2025 is the best time for AI wealth building? Think of AI like the internet in 1999 or social media in 2010. It's no longer early adopter phase, but it's still early execution phase. Tools are available, free or cheap. The market is massive, the barriers are low, and the demand is outpacing the supply of skilled strategists. In short, businesses are begging for help. Market demand stats you should be knowing. Here are some of the real numbers you can share with future clients. Over 75% of SMBs in the UAE and global markets lack an internal AI strategy. Automation and prompt engineering are the top AI use cases requested in freelance marketplaces. On platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, AI-based service jobs have increased by 300% in the last 12 months. Top freelancers offering AI powered copywriting, automation, or systems consulting charge between $50 to $250 per hour. Let that sink in. Okay, now some of the common myths and realities. I need to be a coder. That's a big time myth. I am not a coder. So, no, you don't need to be a coder. Tools like Zapier, Replit, and GPT mean you can build with no code. It's too late. Well, in 2025, AI use is growing faster than education. This is your edge. There's too much competition. Most people dabble. You will build a system and dominate a niche. Clients won't pay for AI work. Well, businesses pay for results. AI is just a tool, and you are the expert they are buying. Okay, so these were some of the common myths that I hear every other day. Now I have an exercise for you. AI Opportunity Assessment Quiz. You'll find a quiz in the resources. Take 5 minutes now and answer. What are the 3 industries you are curious about? Where do you see repetitive tasks or inefficiencies? And what tools have you already used or want to explore? This is not just a quiz, it's a first step to monetization clarity. Okay, so the key takeaways here would be 2025 is the perfect launch window for AI driven careers and side hustles. And you don't need to be technical, you need to be strategic. There's a massive supply demand gap, and this is your edge. AI is the vehicle, your mindset, systems, and niche are the fuel. Now, download the AI Opportunity Quiz, join the private community, for which you will find the link below, and post in the group. I am excited to explore AI in your industry. So, most people overestimate what AI can do in a week and underestimate what they can do with it in 90 days. Let's prove that wrong by building your first income generating AI skill stack. Let's go.